In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get extra dice on Monopoly Go. First, open the Monopoly Go app and let's walk through the legitimate ways to build up your dice without spending money. You'll combine a few daily habits with event participation to keep your rolls steady. Start with the easy daily actions. Log in every day to grab your daily treats bonus. The streak matters here. The more consecutive days you check in, the better the rewards, including larger dice bundles. If you miss a day, the streak can reset. So consider setting a reminder to pop in, even briefly. Next, complete your quick wins. These are simple daily missions, things you'll likely do while playing anyway, and they often award extra dice. Knock them out early so you don't forget, and you'll see those small boosts add up over time. Visit the in-game shop every 8 hours to claim your free gift. These gifts scale with your net worth, so as you progress, the rewards improve. A practical tip is to check at consistent times, like morning, afternoon, and evening, to avoid leaving freebies on the table. Watch ads whenever the game prompts you. Each ad usually gives a handful of dice, which can be a lifesaver when you're just short of finishing a task or event milestone. Availability can vary by region, and there's typically a daily cap, so grab them when you see them. Keep an eye on your dice regeneration rate. Based on your net worth, the game adds new dice every hour up to a certain cap. Try not to sit at the cap for long. Spending a few rolls periodically keeps that timer working for you. Now lean into events and progression. Limited time events and tournaments regularly reward dice as you reach point thresholds. Playing during active event windows and focusing your rolls when multipliers are available can stretch your progress significantly. Completing sticker sets and full albums also grants dice, often in meaningful amounts. Check which sets you're close to finishing and time your play around album activities for the best return. On the board itself, finishing color sets unlocks the color set wheel, which can pay out dice. If you're approaching a set completion, it can be worth pacing your rolls to land those key properties. You'll also get dice for leveling up and completing boards. Advancing your net worth not only unlocks these rewards but improves your regeneration and shop gift quality. Finally, invite new friends through the official in-game options to earn rewards. Follow the game's social channels for event announcements and keep an eye out for official dice links posted by the developers. Stick to trusted sources, claim consistently, and your dice total will stay healthy.